I am Rafael Lopez, the CEO of Nestlé Purina petcare. Today we're announcing an investment of 520 million Swiss francs in a new Purina plant in Mantova, Italy, for the production of wet pet food for cats and dogs. Petcare is one of Nestlé's 4 business focus areas, and this investment will allow to expand our capacity in production and distribution to serve correctly the increasing demand for pet food across Europe. The increasing demand is driven by different factors. The number one is the increased population of pets. Today we have around 111 million cats and 91 million dogs. Second also is the penetration of commercial pet food. And last but most important is that consumers, pet owners are willing to spend more in great taste products, great quality, great nutrition, and new serving experience that are helping them to increase the bond with their pets. Pet food is a fast-growing segment, and in specifically this plant will be producing single-serve wet dog and single-serve wet cat. This is the fast-growing segment because the consumers love variety, great taste, and great nutrition. In particular, single-serve wet cat is growing around 8%. Everything starts with the pet and the relationship that you develop with them along their life. What really excites me the most is to be part and to fit that opportunity to provide great taste, great nutrition, and great products and great serving experience. Because at Purina, we want to be the best, the first, and the most trusted pet care company by all pet owners during the long life of their relationship with the pet.